X Crocs Classic Clog Oxygen 2025. Featuring striking color palettes and the recognizable, whimsical camo motifs for which BAPE is known, the Clog Oxygen design embodies a distinctive look that combines streetwear with adaptability. The addition of personalized Jibbitz charms enhances the design appeal even further by enabling wearers to further customize their clogs, bridging the gap between high fashion and individual expression. In addition to its striking style, the BAPE X Crocs Clog Oxygen collection represents a fusion of cultural icons, providing more than simply shoes but also a fashion statement that appeals to a wide range of consumers. The collaboration echoes a common dedication to comfort without sacrificing originality and is based on a mutual respect of both practicality and style.